Guys, in this video we will see how to hide activity in your Steam gaming app on your Windows PC. If you want to hide your activity from public to private, here are the process. First, launch the Steam app, and here from the top right corner you will find your profile name, account name. Click on a small arrow and choose view my profile. Click on it. Your profile, view your profile will open now, and here you will find the option edit profile. Click on edit profile. Here from the left side menu, go to privacy settings, click on it, and here you will find your my profile. Click on public option, and here you will find three options: public, friends only, and private. Choose private. Now your profile activity will not visible to public. Same game details, choose private, and friend list, choose private. If you want to hide all your activity related to friend list, game details and other, then choose all of them as private. Your activity will be hidden.